Hello. So we'll be solving the first bad version. You are a product manager and currently leading a team to develop a new product. Unfortunately, the latest version of a product fails a quality check. Okay. Since each version is developed based on the previous version, all the versions after a bad version also bad. Yeah, it makes sense. If something is dependent on the previous version, then all the subsequent will be bad if the first one is not good. Okay. We are given one versions 1 to n. We have to find the first bad one. Okay. We are given an API is bad version, which returns a boolean value to check whether it is good or bad. We need to minimize the number of calls for the APIs. Okay. Constraints are 1 to bad, bad and n both can be 1. So let's do a binary search. The first one would be 1, int last would be n, would be n, since we don't know what will be the value, while first is less than the last one, we will calculate the mid, which would be first plus last minus first divided by 2. If the API of mid is true, then the last one would be here. Else, the first one should be mid plus 1. Now, why are we doing this? Because we need to find the first bad version. This will be true multiple times, but we need to find the first one. So, if we if this is a number of versions 1 to n, and we found somewhere in between the version which is bad. So putting the last one and uh, replacing it with the mid, and then finding out again the middle one, then if it is not, if the mid value, now the remaining array is this, the remaining versions are this. Now for this remaining versions, the last one and the first one are present. Now if the middle value is not the bad version, that means that these are also correct, because let me take an example here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So if, let's say, this was the middle value and this is the bad version, so and 4 is our target, so what will happen is last will come here. This will not focus on this array. This is the remaining array. Now 3 is the version which is not bad, so first will come here. Now what will happen is first is now here. Now the middle value is this. Since it is the bad version, last would come to this place again. 5 will be removed. Now we'll check again. This would be mid right now, and then first would be updated. So what will happen is, if first and the last one are the same, then is bad version mid value. Then we need to return the last value. Otherwise, we'll return something which is not present in anywhere. Constraints are 1 to the higher side number, but it is starting from. This will start from 0, so this accepted. Cannot find mid. Int mid. Oh, let's try submitting it and see. Yeah, this works. Okay. Thank you.